Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you watched the last unboxing video, you saw the incredible Ultimate Peppa Pig book collections. Today we are unboxing part 2, the Amazing Peppa Pig collection in this vibrant red box. This set includes an astonishing 50 books. Let's dive in and check it out.
BookTube Kids.
Okay, let's open this up. I'm so excited to see all the different stories inside. Wow, look at all these books. This is truly an amazing collection. Let's go through them one by one. First up, we have Mr. Fox Van, gardening, not very well. Daddy Pig puts up a picture, dance, hide and seek, the pond, the cuckoo clock, Peppa's perfect Christmas, paper planes, tidying up, muddy car, Peppa's fishy friends, Grandpa Pig at the playground. The cover is so colorful and I am sure the story is just as delightful. And next is a very hot day, the best pet, the traffic jam, flying a kite. Look at those bright illustrations. The spider web, school play, Mommy Pig's birthday, Daddy Pig's birthday, work and play, Peppa's day at the beach, school camp, Daddy Pig's lost glasses, Granny Pig's perfume. Yes, these stories are perfect for young readers and great for bedtime. Just look at this incredible spread of Peppa Pig adventures. Captain Daddy Pig, Mr. Bull in a china shop. There are so many stories to enjoy. What I love about this collection is that it covers so many different themes and adventures. Richard Rabbit comes to play, Peppa's theatre trip, the castle, the little boat, pancakes, Champion Daddy Pig, bedtime story, Captain Daddy Dog, Granny Pig's chickens, Daddy Pig's exercises, dressing up, Peppa meets Kylie Kangaroo, Fruit Day, Mr. Scarecrow, Peppa and the Flying Vet, The Storm, Grandad Dog's Garage, The Rainy Day, The Picnic, Surprises, George's Hiccups. This story is all about an exciting boat trip with Grand Pig. Isn't this collection is just amazing? The Amazing Peppa Pig collection truly lives up to its name with 50 wonderful books. It's perfect for any Peppa Pig fan and makes a fantastic gift. you so much for joining me in unboxing the Amazing Peppa Pig collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. See you next time for more fun and adventures. Bye bye. Love you all.
Booktube Kids.